Waterfall picnic area. That's where we want to be. The road thing is kind of cool. What's on that tree? All right, you saw a little bit of us driving in, but we are at, briefly, we are at Falling Waters State Park. She's not an off-roading vehicle, okay?
She is not an off-roading vehicle.
And that's okay. I don't need to off-road. Yet. I have to be driving at like 2 miles an hour. You ate a bug?
Yeah.
How does that keep happening to you? AC's really loud. You can probably hear it. But it was good. And now we're gonna go get gas and then make our way back to Orlando. Probably not gonna film much, but yeah. Yippee! Okay, bye. Welcome. You just saw a little bit of what we did. I did not vlog earlier, but I also got CDs and it was a very cool record store. Maybe I'll put pictures in here because I took like 2 pictures or something. But yeah. But we just went to a metaphysical shop because we always have to go to those because we are metaphysical people. I don't know. And it's time. We got this, shit. We got a mystery bag. And the lady at the counter, she said that the worth is $25 to $50 in here, which we don't care about. We just thought it was cool, and it was $5. So now you're gonna open it because you have 2 hands, and then you're gonna show the camera what it is. Obviously, there's some incense in here. Obviously.
Yeah, we have some incense. It's already making the car smell there.
All right, well. Smells like
lots
incense.
Of things in here.
They're gonna lose their business.
We have
What is this?
some kind of.
I am kind. Be kind. Be kind, humankind. You are part of a. This is a little. What is this? A little bracelet that says "Be kind, humankind" and has a little star on it.
I don't know what this is. It's a little tag for Serious Lip Balm.
Advertising card for lip balm.
Something else with also a QR code. Oh,
Advertising stuff. I think this is information. That's the lip balm.
This is the lip balm.
Margarita lip balm.
And nice. Ooh,
Do you want the lip balm?
Pretty stone soap. Black sesame.
Do you want the lip balm?
Yeah, sure.
We can decide who gets what. Ooh, that is pretty. Stone soap.
It smells good too.
Okay. We have decided. Wait. You're taking the soap.
I'm taking the soap.
And I'm taking the lip balm because I use lip balm. I don't put makeup on, but I use lip balm a lot.
We'll probably end up sharing this.
We will, because we have the same bathroom.
We share the same bathroom. And then
we have this bracelet.
We can give that away.
That we're going to give away to somebody because neither of us are going to wear it. But it's cute.
It could be a prize for something at school or something.
Oh yeah, you take that.
I will.
If they get all the answers right on something, they get that bracelet.
I love it.
Yippee! It was cute. And then I also got, wait. I need her. I need her now. I also got clear quartz because every time I see clear quartz, I'm like, well, might as well get more clear quartz. You could never have too much. You could never have too much.
Have too much clear quartz.
If you get it, you get it. Okay? My mom got this tote bag.
We're opening the chocolate.
We're gonna have some chocolate right now. But they had this thing where for like $39 for $40. 39 is a weird number. For basically $40, you get a tote bag, a book, and then like 3 sensory things.
So we got 2
perfumes,
oils, and this bar of 100% child labor-free cocoa.
Child labor-free chocolate. Very
in compliance with the slavefreetrade.org framework.
Very hard to find these days, unfortunately.
Sadly.
And this tote bag is like of the bookstore. Like the bookstore looks like this, and it's up the bookstore, and it's green, which is my mom's favorite color. So it worked out. Okay, now we'll see you at home, and we're gonna eat our
Child-free.
zero slave labor chocolate. Enjoy.